How to make money on Studypool. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna see how you can make money on Studypool, how you can sell your knowledge, and how you can make some extra cash being a student or being a professional teacher. So let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to open studypool.com. It is a website which provides you 24/7 study help. As the name suggests, its name is Studypool. So you can get help with study questions from verified tutors. You can get over 20 million study documents from Notebank, and you can get solved answers to the questions that you are not being able to solve. And you can search by subjects, and you can just search by sources from this option right here. So if you talk about all subjects, so here you can see they have business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, and foreign languages. So that means they don't only provide solutions for school, middle school, it also provides a solution for higher school and even for some university students. So you can go on and check that out if you want any help in your studies. But the main topic that we're going to covering today is how you can make money with Studypool. So first of all, there are two or three ways that you can make money on Studypool. The first one is that you can sell your documents. When you are studying either you're in a high school or a university, you get a lot of documents, you make a lot of papers, you make a lot of you make a lot of notes of different subjects of lectures. You also make do different kind of activities, projects. So these are all, they are like all become a very valuable amount of information that you have gathered through that amount of time. So rather it being going to waste, what you can do is you can sell your document. How you can see that there's an option to sell documents on Studypool right here. Earn money by selling study documents. Earn up to $5,000 per month. We share your documents with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one. Okay, so this is a great platform when you have a lot of documents going to waste. Here you can see that there's the process is very simple. You upload a document, you get approved. Our system reviews and approves uploaded document for quality. It is viewed by students. That means tens there are millions of students that are on Studypool, that use Studypool. So when they search and they go through your document, you get $10 into your account. You earn up to $10 every time a student use your document. So it is not available, you don't have to pay for viewing documents, but you get paid for giving one document to the person. So here you can see that there is a very simple thing that you can do. Just get started, just click on this option by start selling documents. For that you have to sign up. I'm going to start with the Google for now. Okay, so here you can see that by clicking this checkbox, I'm agreeing to Studypool's terms and services. I click on I agree, and now my account is being finalized. So for now, this is my username. The school, you can enter anything. I'm just going to add this, and then I'm going to click on my avatar. I'm going to go with this one, or you can just go with simply anyone and click on continue. Okay, you have to change your username because it is too familiar to my email address. So I'm just going to name it. Okay, click on continue. Now, how it works: post a question, connect with a tutor, and explanation and answer. So I have simply signed in into my Studypool. Click on continue again, and there's a note bank. Okay, I've got it. Click on continue and done. Okay, so my profile has been created on on Studypool, and now I can sell my notes. So how you can sell a note, it is very simple. Click on this option which says sell documents. You have to go to that again, and obviously you have to again go and see for all of these things. Okay, so quiz, exam prep, old assignments, class notes, and multi-language stuff. So the documents approved right now, I have none. Documents declines are none, and documents pendings are done as well. So here you can see that you can upload almost 30 most recent uploads, and the maximum storage is 200 MBs per upload. So that's why the okay, so this is how you can these are all the documents that you can upload. The formats are available that are written right here: JPEG, PNG, PNG, GIF, and JPG, etc. So you can see all of that, and you cannot upload anything other than that. Click on this option, upload files, or go on to here and start uploading the files. And now you can see that documents are typically processed within 48 hours, but can take longer depending upon the volume. Do not mix poor quality content with good quality content. And to maximize your earnings, you can our system will check add document details, and it should be meaningful. What are the don'ts are basically low quality, bad titles, duplicate content, and copyrighted content. So you have to make sure that your document is not related to any of the, it doesn't have any don'ts in it. And after that, upload your documents, and you can start earning whenever a person views your document. So the second things is on how you can earn money on Studypool is you can become a tutor. So becoming a tutor is not that you have to get very, if you have to be very smart in all of the fields. If there is one subject that you're good at, for example, I'm good at English and I'm good at mathematics, I can just start earning by becoming the tutor for that specific subject. And depending upon the level of your education, you can either choose high school or middle school according to that. So what a Studypool tutor account, you can freely switch between student and tutor mode and enjoy the benefits of tutoring on Studypool, such as lowest service fees, reliable income, and full freedom and flexibility. So I'm just going to apply now. I'm going to see the criteria of applying on Studypool, and then I'll show you guys that if you are eligible to become a tutor on Studypool or not. Okay, so a Studypool vets all tutors to ensure to work on the platform. Like typical job application, you are asked to provide information about yourself and your qualifications. You'll also be asked to answer 3 short questions on the topics of your choice so we can assess your knowledge and skills. Okay, the application takes about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you're unable to complete it in one sitting. So let's get started and start my application, and we'll see that how much it's gonna take and if we can continue it or not on this video. So the first step of becoming a tutor is, if matched to a question, you are expected to provide students with the complete explanation and answer to the question. You will see questions posted by students and will need to bid to answer the questions using a budget and time limit. Then you have this process will happen exclusively over chat, messaging, and all communication. So this is how basically the earning happens on being a tutor on Studypool. Click on acknowledge. Okay, so now what you need to provide is your personal information. First of all, my first name, my last name, nationality, my living residence, education, academic experience, work experience, etc. Then I'm going to click on save and continue, and the second page will appear. It will contain all of my education histories, and then I'll be able to tell what are my good subjects. And in the third one, I'm going to get a quiz, or you can say a question and answers of that specific subject that I've asked that I'm good at, and then they'll tell me if I'm eligible to become a tutor or not. So these are two things that you can make money on Studypool with, and these are both excellent tools that you can help other students with, and you can also make some money out of it. And being a student, obviously you know all of this stuff already. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.